back to Kenny and Rio. I am Kenny.
I'm Rio.
He is Rio.
I am Rio.
Oh my gosh.
OMG.
We just got a car. Look at it. This is our baby. It's a Honda Civic Sport. It's beautiful. Will you open the door? Do you have a key? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Aww. It's not as dusty in real life. It's like dusty on the camera, but oh my gosh, you guys. It's our car. I'm so happy. I'm gonna cry. What a beautiful day. This is our day. Ah, my gosh. Okay. How do you feel? Look at it. Do you like it?
This is great.
You want to sit in the driver's seat? Look, come here. Come sit down.
You know what I'm saying?
This is nice, isn't it? So what you all just saw was us making some avocado toast with egg, fried egg. Dancing with it. Yeah. You guys. I cannot even believe. What is this? What is this? Oh, is this for us? Oh, some cleaning stuff. Alright. Nice. I love this. If you guys need to get a car, go to Ed Boyle's in Marietta, right? And I guess I'm still recording because they were so nice to us. They were so sweet. Did you even see this right there? Look at that extra space over there. Where'd that come from? Completely missed that. Ed Boyle's, his name is Manny Vasquez. Manny Vasquez is that guy. He's been that guy. He's nice. He's great. So, alright. I'm gonna calm down. Maybe. Okay, I'll do that. Yes, I'll do that. Alright. My nose rings all crooked. We have some sparkling ice, two different ones. This one is fruit punch.
That's my favorite.
If y'all have had Tahitian treat, this tastes just like it.
It's a close second.
But it's sparkling water.
Yeah.
Delicious.
With added minerals as well. You know we're about to help around here.
This one is a peach nectarine.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if that's focusing on right now, but we'll see. This one's good too, just
real
different. Very, I mean, I think it's a little sweet with the peach.
Yeah.
I don't know. So try these, and then we have a little bit of this.
Trappies.
A couple of our friends told us to get this because we love Frank's over here, right?
Yeah.
And I love like hot sauce on eggs or some type of, I guess hot sauce, right? And they were like, no, you need to get Trappies. And we were like, Trappies?
Yeah.
Cheers. Trappies is not bad.
I'm like, wow. I got some new skates. I just need to tell you I need to tell somebody something because I've been waiting on these new skates for so long. They are right here. See it? Yeah. Yeah. You hear that? Thank you. I'm about to open these bad boys up and I'm going to show you. Alright, so here we go. Scissors. Like it's Christmas in here. Ho 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 ho. Ho ho ho. Look what it says. Nice. Pull this bad boy out. Look at them wings. See the wings on it? The wings? I'm so happy. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. I had no idea it was gonna come in a package like this. This is actually really nice. The other ones that we got didn't even come out like this, did they? The ultimate reveal. Ooh, nice. Packages inside packages. Individual skate bags. Wow. Oh yeah. This is it. This is what I've been looking for. Right here. Oh, let me see it. Let me see that. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Let me see the back of it. Okay.
This is like metal too. That's not coming off. It's got a warning label on it. Warning. Please read before use. Care. Check your skates before each period use. Adjust your skates to your weight and skill level. Act responsibly and abide by the federal, state, and local laws. We do that.
We've got a new car. Oh, yeah, I realized they can see me through this window right here. I'm over here doing the most. I don't care because we're black. And Ariana's on the radio. Switching up positions for you. So you guys, I made some pickles last night. Yesterday morning, right? Yeah, I don't know. My taste bud. Yeah, it was random. I have never made pickles in my life. But some reason, the other day I was just on Pinterest like I always am. Finding a recipe how to make some pickles. It's been like a week or so ago, right? Yesterday morning I was like, I'm making pickles today. And I did, and they're really good, so. And you like them.
They're pretty good. They're really good.
Really good. So these probably look weird, but look at all that seasoning in there. You see that? I will keep making those. This is good.
It's really good with choppy on it too.
So I'm thinking these pickles will be really good. Can't believe I'm doing this on the internet because people always people always see me eat and they're like, ew, this is gross. So I try to eat like normal in person, in public. But y'all, we're at home. Like I'm really at home right now. And I'm gonna eat the way I feel.
That's right.
In my house.
That's right.
Alright? You can see. Strip these pickles. Delish. Alright. Pickles. A little bit of egg. That's delicious. I know that sounds gross. That's delicious. It's juicy. See that? Yeah.
Talking about.
So, this is better with ice.
It is. It's really. I mean, it's delicious no matter what for real to me. Like, but it do feel good when it's chilled though.
Chilled or with ice is much better.
Yeah. That was good.
Delicious.
Billy. You recording? Wow. So I have to put my do-rag on because I don't want to mess up the hair because it just got done. Like, so do-rag before. Go ahead and take this bad boy off. Alright, so classic black sweater.
That's cute.
Yeah, you like that, don't you?
That's nice. It's not too hot either. But it feels like it's gonna be still warm.
Yeah.
Or it feels like it will still be warm.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be nice. Yeah.
I feel pretty good with this one.
Does this conclude your haul?
All right, this concludes my haul. Thank you all for joining me. Thank you to my girlfriend, wonderful lady, for doing my hair. Thank you for joining us.
You guys, look, we just got our Electric Forest tickets, so this is really exciting.
Really, really exciting.
And we're going with a bunch of friends, so well, a few friends actually, but I'm just really ready to go, so this is great.
Yeah, it's gonna be a great time. It's our first time going to something like this, and we'll keep you guys updated on how it all goes.
Like this is real nice for your boy. Feeling